Saturday, October 5th, 2024. Saint Maria Faustina Kowalska. Focus. Rejoice that your names are written in heaven. When I returned from my first charismatic initiation retreat, I was full of zeal to proclaim the kingdom of God. I dreamt of going to a faraway mission land and preaching the good news. But as my life gradually resumed, I realized that a more urgent mission was right there. I needed to help in the spiritual healing of my family, friends, colleagues, and others, all broken in one way or another. That mission is valid even today. Like the 72 zealous disciples, each one of us is entrusted with a mission. We ought to pray and discern what our mission is, and then carry it out faithfully with the help of the Lord. During our mission, we will encounter many trials and tribulations, but these should not discourage us, for they are just temporary. Jesus has given us authority to tread on serpents and scorpions and over all the power of the enemy. That is, our problems and the people who oppose us, and come out victorious. The Lord is with us always. He will protect us in every trial and bless us manifold, just as He blessed Job after testing him. Fruit. Today, I will forget my worries and anxieties and concentrate on building up the kingdom of God around me, knowing that my name is already written in heaven.